Welcome to OK Miniatures. Today we're going to be making a quick and easy fire that still looks pretty decent on the table. I started out with these wooden applicator stick things. They're about the right size for a medium log compared to my minis. Toothpicks would work well for this too. I roughed up the profiles of the sticks so they weren't perfectly round, which is more realistic for wood. And then I broke the pieces up into smaller log length pieces. And then to turn these sticks into a campfire, next I put a dollop of hot glue on one stick and used it as a base to add more sticks to. Once I thought it looked good, I peeled the hot glue off the cardboard. To make the flame, I used hot glue again. The key to this is to use fairly cool hot glue. I don't have a temperature control on my glue gun, so after letting the glue gun heat up, I unplugged it and tested it every minute or so, waiting for the right consistency. Too hot and the glue just becomes a puddle. When the glue was the right temperature, I put a blop on the sticks. You can form the flame using the glue gun tip or something else, but be careful when you're breaking the string off the flame. The glue sticks together pretty well, and if you're not careful, you can pull a lot of the glue off the flame and make glue string. Once I was happy with the flame, I added a simple paint job of brown on the sticks and orange on the flames with a little yellow added in a few spots. I did just one coat of paint on the flame since I liked the translucent effect the glue gave. And there you have it. Up close, this thing doesn't look quite as nice as I'd like, but from a few feet away, it's a pretty nice little flame campfire. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more terrain content like this. Leave a comment down below if there's something you'd like to see from me or if you have any questions. And with that, I'll see you in the future.